Canada Home Electrical Inspections, protecting your safety and investment. In Canada, your electrical system powers heating, lighting, and appliances year-round, making it essential to check during a home inspection. We review the main electrical panel for safe wiring, proper labeling, corrosion, and outdated models, assess wiring types, including knob and tube or aluminum, which may affect insurance, test outlets for grounding, GFCI protection, and safe operation, and inspect fixtures for moisture damage or faulty installation. Canadian-specific risks include aging wiring in older homes, aluminum wiring from the 1960s to 70s, and heavy winter electrical loads. Warning signs include flickering lights, breaker trips, burning smells, or ungrounded outlets. A thorough inspection can identify hazards before they become costly problems. Contact us at 705-722-5876 or visit ontariohomechecks.ca to schedule your professional home inspection today. If you're a homeowner or property manager, AmeriSpec Inspection Services will help you confidently tackle the year ahead.